Monday, Veterans Day, November 11th, 2024. It's not getting away from us this time. Gonna pull it in with the winch. Unless that winch jumps up over that. But anyway, we got it scotched anyway. Well, Frank's gonna go ahead and get this pulled in, check it out, see what it needs. And he's thinking about buying a big block, maybe 427, 454, and building it and putting it over in here. So we will have another project to follow and try to follow it a little bit closer than we did the Jaguar, but we'll see how it works out. Yeah, he's going down to the house to eat. Sherry was fixing him something down there. So he's going to come back up here in a little bit. I'm going to be gone. I'm going to go get some Veterans Day videos, and he's going to pressure wash it before he pulls it in. And so we'll follow up on it this afternoon late. Yes, there are several projects in the work for this winter. Like I said, Frank's got his Elcamino. I've got to figure out how I'm going to part this 98 out, what I'm going to sell and what I'm going to keep. I know I want these wheels, probably the engine, but for sure the transmission and rear end. A bunch of this other stuff I'll sell. I don't think Frank's going to start on his boat, but I don't know that for sure. And if I'm here this winter, I'll keep you posted on the Elcamino. I may go to Florida, find me a part-time job, and do videos down there this winter. But even if I do that, I'll be back and forth. Need to get this one back on the road. And it needs tires. May need transmission work. I've got bulbs for the fog lights. And I took these out of the 98. So we'll keep on going, see where we end up at some point in time. We're going to leave him alone right now. We're going to go get a hamburger, cheeseburger at the store.